Tired of the typical tourist trail? Join me on walking tours through Morocco's untouched corners. Embrace the magic of travel without the crowds in 2025. Morocco is known for its bustling souks and impressive landmarks, but to truly experience the heart of this country, step beyond the standard paths. Walking isn't just about the distance, it's the way you experience the world. Morocco's charm reveals itself in little moments, far from tourist-heavy sites. Walking tours offer intimate access to local culture and nature. Instead of observing Morocco from the sidelines, you become part of the story, forging connections with local communities. Walking tours give a more authentic taste of Morocco, showing a side rooted in history but undisturbed by large crowds. While the tourist cities are stunning, there's something magical about its forgotten paths. The Atlas Mountains, the dunes of the Sahara, and the lesser-known coastlines are calling. Quieter routes like those in the Draw Valley or the northern Rif Mountains offer something beyond typical tourist experiences. The natural scenery is stunning, the air is clean, and you encounter fewer people, allowing for reflection and true connection. As a traveler, venturing where most won't brings unparalleled peace. In places like the mountains or the desert, you feel more connected to the earth. One important thing to keep in mind for 2025 travel should be mindful. Let your footsteps leave a positive trace. Sustainable tourism ensures these beautiful places thrive for years to come. Opting for non-traditional routes helps minimize environmental impact and empowers the local economy. Engaging with local cultures on a respectful level boosts authentic relationships and contributes to the preservation of historical sites and traditions. It's encouraging that more travelers recognize their impact on the destinations they visit. Choosing walking tours with a sustainable focus balances experiencing nature and protecting it for future generations. The world feels a lot smaller when you're walking through it, and Morocco is made for walking. From the soothing calm of the Sahara to the epic mountain views, 2025 promises the future of immersive travel. People are seeking experiences that go beyond conventional vacations, solitude in nature, cultural immersion, and sustainable adventures. Moroccan walking tours let you forge a deeper connection to both the culture and the environment. With everything happening in the world, we're all looking for an adventure that resets the soul. Walking in Morocco offers that experience. Every trail, every sunrise is a reminder that adventure is not always about thrill, but about how you feel and grow. So why wait? Discover Morocco's magic at your own pace. Let each step become your story in a country of unforgettable beauty. Walking tours are not only a way to disconnect from the world, but to reconnect with what truly matters: nature, culture, and peace of mind. Morocco offers that magical opportunity unlike any other destination in the world.